And this unboxing today is from Gemma over at the Charmed Rose, and it's got some really pretty bow making supplies in here, so I'll show you. And Gemma always sends a free gift, and how pretty is this one? It's like a little rainbow charm. And please excuse my hands, I've been chewing on myself recently, so how pretty is that? And then she always does nice parceling. And I brought more Marabou puffs because I've got loads and loads of felty friends, but I'm actually terrible at actually sticking these puffs myself. So I thought if I buy a bunch of ready-made ones in the colours that I need, I'll actually be able to glue all mine together and actually show you what they should actually look like without having to glue all the Marabou puff myself, and I can use Marabou puff in other projects. So I've got all these in different colours. So I've got those. Oh, and I've got some black ones there as well, and bright pink. Told you, got all the colours. It's me. And then I wanted to do a bun wrap, like a metal bun wrap, proper one, but I realised that the paper mulberry flowers are not really the best for that. So Gemma had these, and they're like the satin-esque kind of fake flowers instead of the mulberry paper flowers, so I thought these would be perfect and as an alternative to the mulberry flowers, so I don't have to worry about them like getting wet or damp if they wore them out in the UK weather. So I'm going to play around with them and see if I can come up with something with this. And then she's had this really pretty, look at these, cord ribbon, and these are all in 1.5 inch, but she's got the 4 different colours in this, and it is so pretty. I love cord ribbon, like I said, for spring and for like autumn. It's just so cute. So I got all of the colours that she had in that one. And then I got some Easter ribbon. I can't remember if this is the only one I got. Yeah, got this cute little Easter ribbon. And then I love this new ribbon. And this is, I believe it's a design that Gemma's done herself. But I got the 3 inch, the 1.5 and the 1 inch and the bullet version of it. And I've got like plans to make a really cute set with this as well. And then I'm obsessed with gnomes or gonks, whatever you call them now. So I've got this really pretty Easter gonk because I'm obsessed. Even though I've yet to make anything with them, I've been collecting every print and every version of them that I've seen, because I just have to have them, because it's just me. My little brain goes, I need it, I must have it. I must have them all now. But that's all of those. Let's put those all back in there so I don't misplace them before I put everything away. So thanks for watching, and if you want to buy anything from Gemma over at the Charmed Rose, the link will be in the description box below for you. Thanks for watching, bye!